Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so the live mode works reliably. Make sure your mic is high quality and your network meets the minimum speed. Low latency matters. Once done, install the official app or browser extension and sign in with the account you'll use. Next, grant microphone permission and set push-to-talk if you prefer control. This prevents accidental streaming. Finally, pick the voice model and output device so audio routing is correct before you move into live operation. Now you configure the live session for optimal performance. Choose the voice model that matches your needs and set the target latency. Lower latency reduces delay but may cost more resources. Then adjust input gain and enable noise suppression and echo cancellation so the AI hears you clearly. Make sure your microphone is the active input and route audio to headphones to avoid feedback. Also check sample rate and buffer size in advanced settings so speech stays natural without glitches. Begin the live stream and speak naturally while watching the real-time transcription and audio meters. You should monitor CPU usage and network bandwidth so neither saturates and causes dropouts. If latency rises or audio clips, try restarting the audio engine, switching to a lower latency model, or reducing buffer size. Make sure to check permissions and close other apps using the mic. One reliable tip: if you hear echo, immediately switch to headphones and toggle echo cancellation. That fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.